Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. This is part 2 in a series on using baking soda for personal care. If your baby has a diaper rash, you can soothe it by soaking the baby's bottom in a baking soda bath for about 10 minutes. You're only going to use about 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a small tub of water. You can do it up to 3 times a day. Soak that poor child for about 10 minutes or so, and then pat the bottom dry. Do not rub that sore skin, and that should help to relieve the baby along the way. You can help to relieve tired feet, soften calluses, and even soothe athlete's foot with a foot soak of baking soda solution with water. Add about 4 tablespoons, which is 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, in 4 cups of warm water, and soak your feet in there for about 10 minutes or so, and it should help to make your feet feel better. If you want to easily clean your combs and hair brushes, soak them overnight in a tall glass of 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a good cup, a cup and a half of water. And that should help to remove the oils from there by morning time. Give them a good rinse and they're good to go. If you're prone to eczema, baking soda can help to relieve the itching and scaliness and redness from eczema. Add 1/4 of a cup of baking soda to bath water. Soak in that tub for up to 15 minutes and then pat the skin dry. Don't rub it vigorously or you'll irritate your skin that much more. Then you might want to apply a moisturizer that's right for you after that bath, and that will help to keep the skin damp. It will help to lock in the moisture in your skin. Skin irritation from poison ivy or poison oak can be relieved by a baking soda bath. Add about 1/2 cup of baking soda to a tub of warm water. Soak for up to 30 minutes. When you're done, pat your skin dry very, very carefully. You don't want to rub it vigorously or that will further irritate your skin. But that baking soda bath should help to soothe the itching and irritation. Urinary tract infections can be soothed by a baking soda bath. Add about 1/4 of a cup of baking soda to your bath water. Adults can soak up to 30 minutes. Young children can soak up to 15 minutes. Do it as often as twice a day, and that should help you out. Baking soda can also be used to remove odors from shoes. Just take a small cloth, add a couple tablespoons of baking soda to it, bring the corners of the cloth up, and you could take a twist tie or a piece of string or something like that to tie it together and help hold it in there. Slip that little sachet into your shoe and make 2 of them for the pair, and then just leave it in there. And then when you're ready to use the shoes, of course, remove the sachet and wear your shoes. And when you're done wearing those shoes, put the sachets back in there. Change them out every now and then so you have some fresh baking soda in there as well. Now, between these 2 videos, I've suggested a lot of baking soda baths in there. There is a note of caution with that. It should be well tolerated by most healthy, well people. However, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or you have high blood pressure, you have diabetes, you have open wounds or serious infections and are prone to fainting, you might want to hold off on doing those, or maybe cut way back down on the amount of baking soda that you use because it may not be right for you. Consult with your physician if you're in doubt. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.